The Democratic Alliance, the DA, is evil to the core. That organization hates black people but continues to pretend to love black people, but actually in its policies, in its conduct, the DA over time has proven how it hates black people. The evidence given by Setrin Kabinde, the chief of staff to the currently suspended police minister, Senzo Mchunu, the testimony that Nkabinde gave to the Parliament's ad hoc committee points exactly to this point that the DA is evil. The DA hates black people. The DA will do whatever means necessary to destroy any black person, especially professional and those who